Hello, and welcome to our latest YouTube video. In this video, we will be showcasing a DMTG INGERSOLL DL30 M CNC lathe. If you received our last newsletter, you may remember seeing this impressive machine featured in it. If you're not subscribed already, now is the perfect time to do it. By subscribing, you'll be the first to receive updates on new products and promotions, as well as access to exclusive content. So don't miss out, and be sure to hit that subscribe button. A CNC lathe, such as the DMTG INGERSOLL DL30 M, is a machine tool that uses computer numerical control technology to automate the process of lathing or the shaping of material through the turning of a workpiece on a rotating spindle. The DL30 M model, manufactured in 2014, is equipped with a FANUC 0 ITD CNC system and features a spindle bore of 87 mm, a turning diameter of 530 mm, and an X-axis stroke of 290 mm and a Z-axis stroke of 1000 mm. One of the primary advantages of a CNC lathe is the ability to produce parts with high precision and repeatability. The FANUC 0 ITD system allows for precise control of the lathe's movements, allowing for the creation of complex shapes and features with a high level of accuracy. This makes CNC lathes particularly useful in industries such as aerospace, automotive, and medical device manufacturing, where precision is critical. The DL30 M model is also complete in all its parts and accessories, making it a fully functional and versatile machine. Its spindle bore of 87 mm allows for the use of larger cutting tools, while its turning diameter of 530 mm and X and Z axis strokes of 290 mm and 1000 mm, respectively, give it a wide range of capabilities for machining various sizes and shapes of material. Overall, the DMTG INGERSOLL DL30 M CNC lathe is a highly advanced and reliable machine tool that is well suited for a wide range of manufacturing applications. Its precision, versatility, and durability make it an excellent choice for companies looking to produce high-quality parts with a high level of efficiency. Thank you for watching our video on the DMTG INGERSOLL DL30 M CNC lathe. We hope you found the information useful and that you now have a better understanding of this impressive machine. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and leave us a comment with your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. We post new videos regularly, so be sure to hit that notification bell to stay up to date. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you even more exciting content in the future.